I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins, the opening market minute for Friday, June 13th. Soybeans are sharply higher so far on Friday, supported by strength in soybean and crude oils, with crude oil in the lead on Israel's strikes on Iran and Iran's retaliation with drones. That's going to continue to be a developing story over the next several days, more than likely. Corn is mixed, mostly lower, continuing to keep an eye on U.S. planning and development conditions, which do look favorable in much of the region. And there's maybe a little bit of profit taking after yesterday's modestly higher finish. And wheat is higher, continuing to keep an eye on some world weather issues, namely dry weather in parts of the Black Sea region and China, along with some concerns in the United States about some early harvest delays for both hard and soft red winter wheat, along with generally dry forecasts for parts of the northern U.S. plains into the Canadian prairies. Live and feeder cattle are sharply lower, with a drop on the Dow Jones Industrial Average on those escalating tensions in the Middle East. And there's also at least a little bit of talk about just how much higher cash cattle prices can go, as we have seen another round of record direct trade this week, at least on the live basis. And as for the hogs, they are mixed, mostly lower, getting a little bit of spillover pressure from the drop in cattle, also looking maybe technically a little bit overbought at this point. With the opening market minute for Friday, June 13th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.